This compact cube GPS tracker for vehicles delivers reliable worldwide real-time location updates through a smartphone app so you can always see where your car or valuables are. Its included hardwire kit means the tracker can draw power directly from the vehicle, greatly reducing the hassle of recharging and supporting long-term use. The device supports customizable geo-fenced zones and sends instant alerts when something moves in or out of those areas, which is especially useful for teen drivers, fleets, or vulnerable family members. Detailed notifications for movement, speeding, low battery, and an emergency SOS ping give you a clear picture of what is happening without constantly checking the map. Long-term location history stored for several years makes it easy to review past routes and patterns, which is valuable for business mileage, fleet oversight, or investigating incidents. A responsive United States-based support team and a straightforward subscription model help make the overall experience dependable for everyday drivers and small businesses alike.